inevitable.
No, I couldn't have enough. Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it. Feels so good.